Hello friends, how are you? How to sell Canva, how to Canva template sell, make money on online and offline. The how to sell Canva templates and make money on the site and beginners guides. Beginners guide. They are the space and affiliate marketing and commission plays in the Canva and site. Their process in manage and commission process might be like in constant. Canva template, social the potential sense, the one of beginners code of Canva, Canva. Would not be the guarantee if you could bring in the complaint throws and break up every month by doing something fun and relax. Will the state exchange would have been during the last couple of year? I sell Canva template. Can you make over 2K per month? 2K per month potential and the right now. Um all new like all new business is the two can more work in the beginning, design template fund his sale the potential and products learn and design template because he's the same graphic design and background. The but even I had even the 20 hours per month year the per month. So business now the during the first new month and old street and then lies in business, make money around 2K per month selling Canva template. Canva template per month, 2K sell per month Canva template. The right in state Canva template business in early 29 in the first several month wire sold. I had no idea this was due, but by earn this is 91 I know had something sailed all around into to this is the thought of fast to generate in into 21 unit at this time and right now post and maybe around in this the selling Canva template because it's too okay. It is the finish amazing and don't and is this so is what post and who is done standard and launch and product and easy to down is start making through breaking the earn money template. The household selling Canva template. What is the Canva? Do is the Canva template? This is the provide lot of website how to standard selling Canva template. The last me give and your little breakfast background first. Back in June 2018, when it launched TSB, I was spelling code and amount hour of typing of design. Who is the best wagon magic and the photos and the in graphics and new and there's the graphic design. But I'll always process is good design more than occasion live and fish and his then beautiful thing in graphic also and more. So is the ready and great and photos design and his tutor who is versus photographies and so and his mind. And so when equate increase Canva is late in the look in this something photograph Photoshop Illustrator track and with but Canva it was well and the purpose good and just and so editing. I was then peak and the social media graphics and the Pinterest and that short is given have been with Canva a few moment and the 2018 this is kind of a lot of information. There are amount writing and then 20 can Canva design. And what is Canva? Canva is the most in look and this is the owned and people Canva this around and who is Canva template, who buys and Canva templates, obtain the interest selling Canva template. People have the around the refix and the people are reading the state. One the speak and the squeak and I heard this answer. Why old around pay and to give the Canva template? Canva is already so easy to all people rigs and make and their own hard the not an easy like to everything is great design from the start from use design from I live and this I but I'm journey working from Canva when the need and amount difference in claim and reviews for his but is don't how to for every for the those are the not enjoy the process design someone who the parties and instead it is was can just customize and then unique product and has. The picture Canva pictures, two picture and Canva. Now I see template and what is Canva template and social media template. But there are so many people selling Canva template now is making is market standard having the health amount competitors. It is the brand of things all easy. Hard to lobe selling Canva template. This is the last drum. If on any again try true then own. Canvas going result, then is many selling template and who is the dressing side. So who can be the Canva template again. Thank you for who is the can need so social media presses. That is the business need the hood Apple and Microsoft and this dog and live next in fetus. And now what the Apple and our Microsoft will like the consumer then work. Budget is the control, education, cages, freelancer, authors, will and small business owner, restaurant shop. Why should sell Canva template? I think save the say and allowance in free and your string say Canva template and the selling template it is Canva. How are the rules in what improvement is skill? If you remember, I mentioned before that then the graphic design, my background isn't however live always love and good design and the have able to design the foods and Canva template you can make and sell standard a live Canva template in graphic design, something like graphic design due to nature, expert and composition, element to may be used in the photograph and illustrator. That is the Canva useful when need to create simple high quality thing the business. Some experience areas, the social media graphics, banner, thumbnail, Instagram post and stories, Facebook post and banner, YouTube thumbnail and banner, Pinterest pin and graphics, etc. The blog graphics, the picture image and the hero sector background, social media graphics, workbook, ebook, media kits in course and dress and flyer and phrase resume and discard. All those the business documents and has needed anything. The just make your throws and rows and Canva's template is this. This is the template, Canva template, books or and this and this. Workbook, ebook, and etc. Okay. What is the standard Canva template business by and this is the step and there are invest ministerial. The link is the earn Canva account is free. Recommend Canva Pro account and the Pro account is the necessary. But is don't unlock and phrase to use the before the only uh, 1290 per month and 190 per year 100 $120 if you per year premium. The Photoshop subscribe and use the design the products photos account convocation product and nine here the don't worry in the using and trade channels. If you sign settings and marketplace search and the Canva marketing and the necessary 25 bags, how to how much money can you make by selling Canva template? How much many can you make by selling Canva template. This is the always take and question answer the business how much money you can make in Canva template. First and all you selling, that is the people who it understanding using the additional process and Canva. Are you also pressing in the photographies and standard maybe Canva template side business and yearly 190. This is a few months. What is the make, and this is the X can of 2K for a month in creative of Canva. A lot of the sites of Canva blogs, $803, and the total average monthly on $2,300. Given the influx in how you can sell Canva template, Canva creative market, East market, design bandits, look at the bazaar and design cards and creative fairies. I am sure that is the platform you can selling Canva template. One is the mention and the which is can own and WordPress and WooCommerce shop, Shopify and Skewed and Snapwood and copies. And the very important, the understanding that selling you Canva template, the multiple it is good and is can entrance in parents Canva template and your blogs and lot of sites big website the presentation lot of topics how make money selling Canva template sign up Canva with free diction and the creative Canva template sale proper and Canva template and development and lot of system of Canva template development your products and here you Canva design and Canva how to share Canva design and the lot of template. The website is very nicely presentation. The Canva template design and this your website. A lot of information. Thank you very much. This website information. Thirdisblog.com. 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 How to sell Canva.com is very interesting and templates a lot of information. Thank you, best of luck my friend. Nicely presentation website. Please subscribe and share my videos.